marginally up, I mean marginally. Look at that VIX sitting there at below 15.75. Just watch for that to keep on coming down. I would expect at some point somebody's got to dip in there in one of the option rooms and take some long there out for a couple months, but as of right now, we're not doing anything. It's not really a short-term trade as far as we're concerned. I guess we're up mostly because Europe's up marginally based on some of their earnings. There's not a whole heck of a lot as far as any sort of economic reports this morning. Google was out. They are off about 1.25%, actually rallying up. They were down about 1.7% when I came in now, and now they're down about 1.25%, so coming back a little bit. I know we had talked about, and I know Scott had talked about in the options vol room, that Google tends to underperform the measured move. At least over the last 3 years it has. So that's something that keeping our eye on. But you know, if that wants to make a definitive move one way or the other to bring the market with it, you know, maybe I'm grasping a little bit at straws, but that's what's happening. We are opening up in 1 minute and 20 seconds.